Hi guys! What's up? What's up? Daghan kadong salamat sa pag-click sa akong video, sa pagtanaw. Thank you Lord God for all of the blessings. Karong video ha, magbinisaya ko kay mag-istorya ta about sa top 10 na pinakagwapang kandidata sa Miss o sa Binibining Pilipinas 2025. So, sana mag-enjoy kayo at let's now begin at my number 10. This is in order. Number 10 is Binibining 7, Annabelle May McDonald from Iligan City. Well, this woman is so captivating. Ganahan ka dyo kung mutanaw anong bajiha. Friendly ka adyo, ug iyang smile, hindot jud. So, nanginaot ko nga makabot na niya ang gitinguha na mahimong Binibining International Philippines. Kay gani si Jan in compete sa Miss Charm but she didn't win the competition. She was the first runner-up. I'm hoping her the very best, mga higala. Number 9 is Binibining 11 from the province of Rizal, Alisa Mildred Villarina. Well, muri na ang beauty nito guys. Para siyang ate ko lang. Oh my God. Maganda siya. Dami kayo siya smile. Unta, maka-perform siyang maayo sa isang pasarela, but overall, she is so glamorous. I wish her all the best, mga friends. Number 8, mga gwapa nga mga higala na diha is Binibining 2 from Bulacan, Lilia Patricia Santiago. Murag familiar yun ako ng inyong beauty, murag na-compete niya sa una sa beauty pageant. Murag familiar yun ko ano niya, gwapa ka adyo tanawon. Her eyebrows, I love it. And also her beauty, the way she sees at the camera, the way she projects, she's fantastic. I wish her the best for the Binibining Pilipinas. Hopefully, she can have a placement. Number 7, mga gwapa nako ng mga amigo diha o mga amigas is Binibining 36, Dalia Vardic Hatal from Las Piñas. Well, murag ning-join ni siya sa I don't know, sa PBB ba? O murag showbiz ni siya. So, ijang kilay kay murag kilay ni Andrea Brillantes. Nindot ko siya ngipon tanawon. Perfect ang iyang ngipon. Lovely smile. Murag na siya'y aura. Na siya'y kapasidad nga maka-place sa Binibining Pilipinas. Atong tanawon pohon guys. Number 6, mga higala is Binibining 22 from Batangas Province, Ana Caras M. de Mesa. Well, sa pagtanaw na ko nga picture niya, neat kaado sa tanawon, puti kaado siya, lamig smile, yung piluka. Well, I know it's not the original piluka, but she's so magical, fantastic. A breeze of fresh air in this photo. She's like an angel. Number 5 is Binibining 32 from Pampanga, Joanna Marie Thurnley. Well, familiar na po kining mga panganla sa beauty pageant, but I'm happy to hear her name again at the Binibining Pilipinas competition. In this photo, well, nindot kaado siya, guwapa. I like her straight hair, her smile talaga, the nipon. Oh my God, she's perfect. She's that morena skin color. I wish her that she can have that good performance on stage and also the wow factor when she walks, she talks, and the overall swag as a candidate. Number 4, my friends, is Binibining 19 from the Quezon Province, Maria Andrea Indico. Well, kaning badya kay chick, no? So makapanagpoy dito, makasitsit, mulabay ni sa atong atubangan. Guwapa kaadyo, photogenic. She has that small face, that wavy hair. She's relaxed. I am rooting for her at the Binibining Pilipinas and excited for her participation. Number 3 is none other than Binibining 12 from Aklan Province, Francesca Beatriz Abalahon. Well, di magpapatalo ang taga-Aklan, taga-Region 6 sa Philippines. Waka po ni siya. But I have the gut feeling that she is not tall. She's not as tall compared to the other, but she has that charisma, confidence. Perfect ajo sa tanawon ay itang picture aning perfect jud kaadyo. So mura siya si si Katrina Halili na pure Filipina beauty talaga. Number 2 is Binibining 18 from Siargao, Kathleen Inen Espinido. Well, di magpalupig ang taga Mindanao, taga Siargao, ang mga Bisaya na sa Mindanao na si Kathleen Espinido. Chic to kayo siya porma, no? We can't deny her beauty in this lovely photo. She has a beautiful smile. She's so chic, oh my God. She's the kind of a woman na imong dajigon sa matag adlaw because sa iyang kagwapa, oh my God. Makadani iyang kagwapa o kaanindot. God bless to this wonderful and beautiful woman. O ang number 1, di magpalupig gihapon ang taga Mindanao nga si Katrina Ann Johnson from Davao Province. Well, wala ni bias-bias tungod kay Bisaya ko. Number 1 si Davao Province, but she's deserved to be the number 1. She came back at the Binibining Pilipinas after 2 years. She placed first runner-up at the Binibining Pilipinas 2023, and now she is here to compete again. Well, I think she's so suitable at the Binibining Pilipinas International Crown. She has that wonderful face. Kung imong i-compare ang young beauty kay Miss International 2024 from Vietnam, well, pareha jud, manikain, white skin color, perlas ang panit. She is so wonderful and she's my winner at the Binibining Pilipinas. So that ends my video mga higalang mga friends. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get updated, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on my next video. God bless. Take care always. Daghang salamat.